Hi, my name is Mark. I'm with the Custom Product Engineering Group here at Turck, also known as the CPE Group. I'm here to walk you through the process and the information that we need from you in order to create a custom turnkey solution. When you submit a request, we need to know a few things. What is the application? Usually a picture of the application speaks 1,000 words. We need to know the environment that this solution is going to be in. Is it going to be hot? Is it going to be cold? Is it going to be in direct sunlight? Are there going to be caustic chemicals around? That type of thing. Any information that's going to help us about the environment to create a turnkey solution for you. After the environment, we need to know what the specifications are. What type of cable are you looking for? Is it going to be a TPU cable jacket? Is it going to be a PVC cable jacket? What's the wire gauge size? How many conductors do you want? What type of connectors are you looking for? What's your current rating? What's the voltage rating you need? The next thing we need to know is, do you need any shielding? Do you need any braiding, either internally or externally on the cable? Next, we need to know how many pieces you want in a year, the EAU. Is it going to be 10? Is it going to be 1,000? Also, we need to know, is there a target price? And on top of that, what's your lead time? When do you need this product? The next step is the process. Once we get all this information, we're going to create a drawing for you. Once the drawing's created, we're going to send you the drawing back. Take a look at it. If it needs edits, send it back to us, we'll make the edits. Once the drawing is just right, we need you to sign off on it, and then we can get your product quoted. At this point, I'll send all the information off to special pricing, and special pricing will put it on a quote for you. We can use an existing quote. If you do have an existing quote, we just need to know the quote number. And if it's a brand new quote, we can do that too. We just need to know who the end user is going to be, who the distributor is going to be, and any type of contact information for that end user or distributor. Normally when we quote items, it's a 25-piece minimum. That can be different if we're doing a prototype. We could prototype for 1 or 2 pieces as well, a one-time prototype. That's no problem. Also during this time, we can create for you samples. Between 1 and 4 samples is usually what people request. A sample request turnaround time is about 2 to 3 weeks. We create the samples, we ship them off to you, you test them in the field or in your application and see if they work the way you want. Once everything looks good, the drawing looks good, the pricing looks good, the lead time looks good, you send us the PO. Once the PO is sent to us, it triggers my group to submit what we call an FGA or a finished good assignment. During this finished good assignment, manufacturing instructions are created, manufacturing drawings are created, and anything else that needs to be created in order to produce this item on the floor. The FGA process takes about 2 to 3 weeks, and once that's completed, your item is now set up for standard production. The advantages of using the Custom Product Engineering Group is that you get a turnkey solution that's custom for you with delivery times that suits your needs, and you can even get samples to test out in the field. Again, my name is Mark with the Custom Product Engineering Group here at Turck. Look forward to serving you. Thanks for watching.